open criticism within the Pakistani establishment and political class of the Pakistan Prime Minister, Mr. Shehbaz Sharif. We've heard a series of people from within the National Assembly of Pakistan, which is their equivalent of our parliament, making extremely critical remarks of the ruling establishment there. One particular MP even criticized Khwaja Asif for his comments to a particular news channel. And now, of course, another comment criticizing Shehbaz Sharif.
From the streets to the National Assembly of Pakistan, their military, their army, their leadership being criticized by their own people. Commander Jaitley Buzdil, I believe, is coward. That's what the Pakistani Prime Minister is calling. A Pakistani Prime Minister is being called in the National Assembly. कह रहे हैं मोदी का नाम तक नहीं ले सकते. And remember, people on the streets making the video saying, ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये आसमानी बिजली गिरी है when India struck Lahore.
ये जो उन्होंने शब्द यूज किया है गीदड़ का, तो एक कहावत है, जब गीदड़ की मौत आती है तो वो शहर की तरफ भागता है. तो जब पाकिस्तानियों की मौत आती है तो वो हिंदुस्तान में छोटा मोटा अटैक कर देते हैं. ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये कहना पड़ेगा कि उस छोटे मोटे अटैक में भी हमारे 27 लोगों की जान चली गई. 27 कम नहीं होते, 27 घर उजड़ गए, उनका सिंदूर उजड़ गया. और उसका अपमान का बदला लेने के लिए आज जो पाकिस्तान भुगत रहा है वो उनको सदियों तक याद रहेगा कि वो इस तरह से चिल्ला रहे हैं अपनी असेंबली के बीच में और अपने ही प्राइम मिनिस्टर के अगेंस्ट चिल्ला रहे हैं, उसको गीदड़ बोल रहे हैं. बट दिस इज you can think of the situation what is happening in Pakistan. They are totally lunatic people at this stage. उनको समझ नहीं आ रही क्या बोलना है, बुखला गए हैं वो लोग. जबकि हिंदुस्तान में everything is going on in a very streamlined fashion. Yes. So that's one thing great about this country today, let me tell you. So we are moving ahead. We are very, very strong. अगर उनका comparison किया जाए हमारे साथ, we are way ahead of them. And we are hitting them in each and every quarter.
Let's once again listen in to what that Member of Parliament said in the National Assembly criticizing his Prime Minister. So that 2-minute excerpt completely exposing the contrast between India and Pakistan. There's political unanimity here in India, while Pakistan has been exposed to be an extremely divided polity, as was evident in that short speech given by that Member of Parliament in the National Assembly. We'll take a short break right now. We'll continue our coverage on the other side. We also thank our guests for their perspective.